Is your Windows 11 photo viewer acting up and refusing to work? I'll unveil the reasons behind this issue and provide effective solutions. Stay tuned for a quick fix to get your photo viewer back in action. Right-click the Start icon from your taskbar, select Windows PowerShell Admin from the list. Paste the following command. Check if the issue persists. Press Windows+. I then go to Apps. Here type Photo, then click Microsoft Photos and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click the Repair button, then follow the on-screen steps to finish the process. Reboot your PC and check whether the Windows 10 image preview not working issue is gone. If it didn't work, click the Reset button, then follow the on-screen steps to finish the process. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Then search the Photos process, click it and select End Task. Restart your computer afterward and check whether the Microsoft Photos not working issue is gone.